This is the fun part. Now we get to apply the Lubricite 77. The big key now is the charging of your pad. And I want to show you how much you actually charge, and I think you'll be surprised. Now the factor is when you have a little squirt bottle, you don't want to squirt in the direction of your object piece. I can't tell you how many times I made the mistake where it squirted onto my piece and it really made a problem. But we can fix it. And I'm really saturating the cloth. And some guys, there are so many different techniques. Guys like to, have a wadding inside that they actually, saturate and they put their cloth over it. I work from the top down. For now, I think that that's going to be a beginning. If I squeeze it, you can see how that kind of comes out. But I want to now work this to the back of the cloth. And this is the first charge. Use my first 2 fingers and kind of just push it to the back. I want the pad to be dry to the touch. I don't smack it. If I were to smack it when I wet it, it splashes. I never understood why and how guys do that. Now it needs more. I need this to the back of my pad. So the initial charge is really full. That should do it. Same thing as I squeeze that out. I'm going to explain how theoretically you're transferring the padding lacquer to your surface. It's by touch and by feel. That's dry. Now I'll use the heel and I press it. I don't want to smack it, I want to press it. And now I'm ready to apply. So my first application, this pad is charged and it's wet, and I want to be super ginger in the sense that I'm delicate as I apply. I just let it float. I don't apply much pressure. And I start off with straight strokes. And frankly, I think I need a little more. It's not going on. I feel like I can put more on. I like to start to go up and then come back. One code for me with a charge is straight stroke, circular, figure 8, elongated figure 8, back to straight stroke so I don't see my streaks.